Hello, my name is Emma Flynn. I'm an attorney with Berke, and I'm here today to talk to you about torts in the state of Tennessee. So, other than the French delicious pastries, torts are also a very serious form of legal liability and legal recourse in the state. So, basically, in Tennessee, one person can sue another person for committing a tort and basically injuring their physical well-being or financial interest in some way. So generally, there are three types of torts. The first one is an intentional tort. For example, if you hit someone and you intended to hit them, that is an intentional tort. So some examples include assault, battery, trespass, for instance, you intended to enter someone else's property without their permission, and defamation, you intended to say something very bad about a person and you've injured their reputation. So the other type is negligent torts, and that is something like you got into a car accident. You didn't mean to get into the car accident, but you violated a rule by speeding, for example. So while your behavior wasn't intentional, it did cause damage to other people, and those are negligent torts. Most personal injury cases are negligent torts. And then the last one is strict liability torts. And those are torts where it doesn't matter what your intention was. The important thing is that you committed the act. For example, possession is an unintentional, is a strict liability crime, but there are certain products liability cases, for example, that it doesn't matter whether you intended or were negligent, the offender is still going to carry the brunt of the offense. And then the last thing I want to talk about as torts are related is the damages. So as we said, damages could be in the form of physical injuries. For example, you were involved in an accident, it was someone else's fault, and as a result, you've hurt your back or your neck. It can also be something by way of loss of income. Say you've had to miss work, or someone has done something to injure your business by, for instance, inducing someone to break a contract that they had with you. And then damages could also be to your reputation. So for example, someone has made up a lie about you that has caused you to lose your job. And so here we would have two forms of damages. First of all, the embarrassment to you, and secondly, the loss of income that you've had. So I appreciate you joining me today, and thank you.